Hello, thank you for purchasing Funnel Opt-in by Software CY. I am going to explain you how to use the plugin. So the first thing you do is you install the plugin like any other WordPress plugin on your WordPress site, and then you will have an email from us with your license key. Once you have your license key, please enter it over here. Otherwise, the plugin will not work. If you have issues with the plugin, with the license key, please let us know. Then what you would need to do, you need to complete your Everwebinar settings and your ActiveCampaign settings. Everwebinar, it's optional. Maybe you don't want to use it and you want to use this plugin just for the opt-in and redirect the user to a landing page that you have built, maybe in Wistia, or instead of using Everwebinar, you use Wistia or Vimeo or something else. So if you don't have an Everwebinar, then you just untick this box here and do not complete the Everwebinar details. If you have it, please complete with the API key and member ID. Same goes for the ActiveCampaign settings. So I will show you how to find this information on Everwebinar and ActiveCampaign. So to do that, you log into your Everwebinar account. Then you come to the webinars that you want to the webinar that you want to connect. Then I go to advanced. Then I go to API custom integration. So here is your member ID. You copy that. And here is your API key. So this is two fields you want. Then for ActiveCampaign settings, you need two things. You need to go to settings, then developer. On developer, you want the URL and the key. It is the two information you want for it to work, for the plugin to work. So once this is done, then great, you have a working plugin. So now we can use the plugin on the basic settings. You can customize everything. As you can see here, we have predefined some values for you when you install the plugin. Font family, color of the text, everything is here. The important thing to note over here, the button radius, also, it's always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, nothing px, nothing else. And the basic here, you need to set the tag name. That's going to be empty for you. So the tag name is what gets entered to ActiveCampaign when the leads get submitted. Thank you URL if Everwebinar isn't used. So if you don't use Everwebinar, you need to specify this. If you use Everwebinar, leave this empty. Then here, if you want to use a 24-hour format instead of the default option, which is AM and PM, then you need to select this. And below here, these settings are used if you are using this plugin in another language. So for example, if I want to use it in Greek, then I need to specify the days from Sunday to Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Same for the months. You specify the months from January. So January, February, December. Then remember here to put on these fields a comma and space. Of course, then you need to translate also these strings here, hit save, and you get your code. When you get this code, go to your ClickFunnels or something else if you're using and paste it here. And the plugin will work. Same applies for the Pro version. For the Pro version, let's go through the fields. Again, you can customize names, email, all the information, form, title, like the basic. But you have two more fields here. So you have the Pro is collecting also partial leads. So you put your lead tag for the leads for the partials and the tag for the completed leads. because the partial leads enables you to have an automation to bring back the user to your funnel and make them complete it. Same situation with the thank you URL as a basic, 24 hours format the same as basic, and the below settings same story as the basic. So then you hit save, then you copy the code to ClickFunnels or anything else that you want to use this plugin, and you are ready to go. For any support issues, please click this button here, log into your account or open a ticket, and our team will try and serve you within 24 hours from the moment you place your ticket. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this plugin, and feel free to refer anybody